With Asur, I had figured out that the guy, when he's in isolation, is the time you will see the real character of these people. So I always made a roadmap when I'm going into a show. Initial idea was that Nikhil is a cocaine addict. It was a very, very difficult show. So पहले ऐसा होता था कि actors wanted to be, मेरे को हर scene में छा जाना है.
आप लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, राइट? सो असुर के टाइम पे क्या हुआ फिर? व्हाट वाज द एक्सपीरियंस लाइक? यू ड्रॉ फ्रॉम मेमोरीज एंड एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक यू सेड दैट. So what about Asur?
So Asur के time पे the kind of thing I had to tap into was पहले ऐसा होता था कि actors wanted to be, मेरे को हर scene में छा जाना है and I have to do something, I have to do something stand out. So this generation of actors is a lot easier. They understand the script, the value of the written word. यहाँ मेरे को ये करना है, यहाँ पे मुझे नहीं करना है. Kind of thing. So I would like to count myself in that category. I don't fall into it. So I always made a roadmap when I'm going into a show. Ki this is the place where Barun has to, perform to the best of his ability. That's never been done by Barun or anybody else. It has to be done like that so that people see. There has to be a surprise where, the audience knows ki one, this is new. Second, it doesn't look dishonest. So with Asur, I had figured out that the guy, when he's in isolation, and when the other guy, Arshad, the character, is in isolation, is the time you will see the real character of these people. So I had to draw from the time when I used to, I'm born and raised, you were asking me, in Delhi. 25 years. I've always stayed with my parents. Never stayed alone. When I came to Bombay, I took a show that took like 6 months to take off.
तो शो मिल गई थी तब?
मिल गया था.
ऑडिशन दे के फिर
ऑडिशन दे दिया, साइन कर लिया, पर टेक ऑफ होने में 6 महीने लग गए. और मैं एक्चुअली उसी तरह के कमरे में, क्योंकि 5,000 रुपये महीने के होते थे, मतलब उस टाइम पे. अब तो और नहीं, उस टाइम पे जब आया था बॉम्बे 16 years back, 5,000 रुपये महीना था किराया उसका. It was like the same room which I shot in Asur, and I was stuck there for 6 months. I didn't know anyone. I didn't have the car, money to go out party, and it was a shithole basically. It helped me survive through. That's a different thing. So you have to tap into how I used to feel at that time. One, and then there's some performances that you've seen in your life that have impressed you, that you want to draw from. So I had seen a movie called The Master. I don't know if you've seen it or not. It's
Philip Seymour Hoffman.
Philip Seymour Hoffman and Joaquin Phoenix. So this guy's a freaking alcoholic, Joaquin Phoenix. So I kind of based it on that. Initial idea was that Nikhil is a cocaine addict. Nikhil Nair. So we thought at that time ki it might be too much for people. So let's just keep cigarette and too much cigarette, so that when he's not smoking, his hand starts shaking, so he has to take pills. So he's basically part medication, part smokes, and some. So there was, the darkness had to come out of the isolation. It was a very, very difficult show. But I made my roadmap with respect to the fact that ये वाला जो काम है ना, जो अकेले कमरे में है, if this doesn't stand out, nothing is going to stand out. मतलब DJ's part, the recitance, the calm and subdued performance will pay off because Arshad is a very comedic known actor. People will be very surprised.
We were.
Yeah, he did a great job.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to draw from your experiences.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस फुल क्लिप. और मैं आपसे वादा करता हूँ कि इसका फुल पॉडकास्ट भी देख के आपको काफ़ी मजा आने वाला है. लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन.